salamat sa pagiging special guest mo, of course, ngayong gabi sa aking 10th anniversary. This means so much to me, sharing the stage with you. It will always be a pleasure. Tsaka grabe na yung bilis ng panahon. Ang tanda na natin, 10 years ago. Tsaka ang dami nang nangyari. Siyempre, I'm very proud of all of your achievements. Siyempre, iba na rin, may jowa ka na.
Siya din meron.
Wala ka yun. Ayun, maraming salamat, guys.
Ayun, syempre, unang-unang sa lahat, congratulations. Happy 10th anniversary sa'yo.
Happy 10th sa atin.
Sa atin. Ayan, sa atin. Sa ating lahat. Ayan, super happy ko. And of course, super thankful ka din na sinama mo rin ako dito sa journey mo. And also, talagang alam ko at alam natin kung saan tayo nagsimula. At kasama talaga tayo sa mga journey natin. And syempre sa mga achievements mo, super happy kami. And sa lahat ng mga supporters mo dito, and super happy sila sa'yo. And proud kami sa'yo. Ayun, congratulations.
Maraming salamat, guys. Once again, give it up for Laika Gairan and everyone. Yes, maraming salamat. Ate Kat, Catherine Bernardo, everyone. Aldora Sason, maraming salamat din sa'yo. Kay of course, to Joao, maraming salamat. Kay Kuya Robbie, kay Ate Mikey, maraming salamat. I love you guys so much. Maraming salamat sa paghabol. To Alexa, na nag-concert din kagabi. Si Alexa, ayun, maraming salamat for still attending. Alam ko pagod ka, but you're here. Maraming salamat also to Ate Denise Laurel. Maraming salamat, Ate Den. And Chong D, who's also here. Maraming salamat. And we also have AC Bonifacio, Angela Ken, maraming salamat, Jella Ataide, and Bel Mariano, maraming salamat. Thank you also po kay Miss Jamie Rivera, maraming salamat Miss Jamie, Bailey May, Tita Sylvia Sanchez, and to the Ataide family, maraming salamat. Chabi, what's up? Thank you so much. I hope you're enjoying. Who else is here? Si DJ Jai Ho. Ayan, what's up Ate Jai? Kuya EA Guzman, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. It's been a while. Kuya EJ Falcon, nandito rin. Ate Kit Kat, Miss Maricel Morales, Miss Rochelle Barameda, and the rest of my Beauty Derm family. It means so much. That's what I love you. Beauty Derm! Alright. Maraming salamat po. And going back, alam niyo po, with all the music genres that I get into, of course, ballad will always be one of my favorites. It's always been part of my core. In fact, it's something that I love because